Hey, it's Andrea coming to you from Melbourne, Florida. I'm staying at the Melby Hotel, and as you enter to the right is a closet. It's like an open space, but you can put your clothes, hang your things, and then you have your dresser drawers that you can put your clothes in. And then to the right is a bathroom, a nice spacious bathroom. Of course, you have your toilet. You have a cute picture and a towel hanger where you can put your clothes also. And then you have your washcloths and towels and a nice walk-in shower. The products that they use is called Lockwood, number 24, 25, and 26. It's the hand wash, the shampoo, and the conditioner. Also, if you're coming into the other part of the bathroom, they have the hand wash and body lotion, Lockwood number 24 and 23. So the bathroom is nice and spacious. As we leave the bathroom and head into the room, you have a nice desk area in case you need to do some work. You have your ice chest and your television. And you also have your coffee maker, and you can make coffee or tea. And you have your refrigerator where you can store your food in your refrigerator, food and drinks. Also, you have a nice chair in case you want to sit down and read. And then this is a queen, 2 queen beds. And you have your safe, which is in between the 2 queen beds. And then you have a lamp and lighting that comes from above the beds. And as you walk towards the window, you get a nice view of downtown Melbourne. You'll see the restaurants, and you get a partial view of the water, the ocean, and the boats. Do you see that? It's a little far. But they have a lot of great restaurants here in downtown Melbourne. So if you're interested in booking a vacation to Florida, Melbourne, Florida, or any part of the country and world, feel free to contact me at 202-600-6866, and I can help you book your vacation here or anywhere in the world. Also, feel free to visit my website at vacationadvertiser.com. Look at this ceiling. The ceiling is amazing. I love how it's designed. So once again, this is Andrea Camille coming to you from the Hotel Melby in Melbourne, Florida. Until our next destination, I'm out. Bye.